Did you know in Ukraine they make almost different? They make it with farmer's cheese. And now,
Let me show you what we need for this omelet. We need eggs, butter, farmer's cheese, which you can learn how to make on my mom's website, which we will put in the description below, or you can just buy it. Milk, salt, and pepper. So let's get started.
But
Cottage cheese in.
cottage cheese. Now we need eggs.
3 Americana eggs.
Americano? Can we use not Americano? It has to be
Yes.
Americano.
We like Americana eggs.
Yeah, we like American eggs.
Oh, look how
look at how
beautiful.
orange it is.
It's really orange.
Now Matrona.
Now it's my turn.
Crack a brown egg. A little bit harder. Here, let me help you.
Okay.
Split open.
The stuff has to come out.
Oh.
Wow.
That
Now-
looks good.
I'm cracking a blue egg. My favorite color.
Can I?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Then we need to add milk now?
Yes, we do need to add
1/4 of a cup of milk.
Yes.
And 1 cup of cheese, right?
And 1 cup of cheese.
Yes. Cheese.
We need to whisk all together.
Oh.
Keep whisking. Keep whisking.
Pepper. Stop.
And salt.
Okay. And now Matrona will chop the dill.
So you want to taste it? I like to taste.
Yummy.
And now we're gonna preheat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter.
And now we are gonna put some butter.
1 tablespoon.
One tablespoon of butter.
Nice and sizzling.
It's gonna sizzle.
I like to do it in a circle. Makes it go all over.
Just like ice skating.
We like it when it's nice in a brown color, as you can see. Personally, we like it. It gives us a nice nutty flavor. Now go ahead and pour the mixture in.
Let's pour it in.
More.
All of it.
До конца. Еще. Good job.
Let's put the dill on it.
And now we need to turn the heat down and cover it with the lid. And now we're going to open it.
Ooh, beautiful.
Time to taste. Let's try it. Perfecto.
This is an easy, different, quick, yummy food to make for breakfast. That's very cultural. Perfect. Make sure you like and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel, Innichka Chef. See you soon.